Hello, this is Bhavna Ravindran, and I'm a sales and marketing management trainee with the Park Hotels. It's been a year that I've been working since. As a student, I always wanted a coach, a mentor who will not only give me some subjective knowledge, but also someone who is there with me at every point of time in life. Someone who can give me the right kind of motivation that I always need, even if I'm asking for it or I'm not asking for it. That's exactly what Mr. Supriya Chakrabarti is to me. He means so much to me because he's created a lifetime impact. At a point when he entered my life, it was when I was looking for an opportunity where I can pursue um, a level higher of the kind of anchoring I was already doing by then. And I also wanted to upscale the level of confidence I had. He gave me the right opportunity. It was an event that he was a part of, an event that he actually hosted, which he made me anchor. It was an event where there were a lot of renowned people from various industries in Hyderabad, and it was an amazing opportunity for me to put myself forward and to increase my network as well. It was through him I really realized how important it is to make connections and grow your social network. It was because of him I knew and I realized how important is it to be genuine. How important is it to accept who you are, what thoughts you have in mind, to portray it in the right way and take everything with positive pinch. These are the lessons, that a person with a lot of experience can only tell you, and that is exactly who he is. He is an inborn coach. He does not coach for the for the matter of doing it. He's a person who genuinely feels the need of understanding the opposite person to help the opposite person. So the kind of empathy he has towards each student of his is something very noteworthy. The kind of impact he has made in my life, is something I really, really want to vouch for the rest of my life. Is that the reason why I'm saying this is because after that event is when I gained a lot of confidence in one, presenting myself on the stage, and second, to outgrow my social network. The ways in which I have seen him, carrying himself with the personality, and how to speak, what kind of body language you should have, all these certain aspects that he had taught me at the right time was really, really beneficial. It was in the first year that he had come, and it was around that time when I was having my industrial training interviews going on, and it helped me a lot. Not only that, even for my campus interviews and even for the rest of my life for that matter, these things that he has taught is going to be with us for the rest of our lives as the students. And the best part of us, both of us, sir and me, is because both of us have our birthdays just one day, after each other's. So that's something which is really, really connecting me with him. Apart from the kind of understanding he has towards me and the kind of motivation he gives me every time we have a conversation, be it socially active or be it available for me whenever I need him, he's always been there as a true, true pillar of strength. It was when he had called me to his college to, just talk to a few final years. That was the first time I went up, I went and gave a talk to people about the kind of experience that I've had with interviews. When I saw him there looking at me, it was such a pleasant experience, because the kind of expression, the kind of pride he had looking at me speak, that's a kind of mentor one should have. Someone who's proud of his student. That's exactly what he is. And even on the day when I was hosting that event, I was sure to go wrong somewhere and I was very nervous. That was when every time I looked at him, he had a beautiful smile which immediately used to calm me down. So he's just a package of a lot of positivity and a person who you will definitely need in your life. And all the future students of Sir, you're going to be very lucky because he's going to be a true coach and a friend to all of you. So, all the best, sir. Congratulations on coming back, and I look forward in having a lifelong association with you. Thank you so much for being a sweetheart that you are.